A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking incident that raises serious questions about the practices of U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP), a Guatemalan mother and her two U.S.-born children were detained for nearly a week in Detroit after a phone app mistakenly directed them to an international bridge leading to Canada. This alarming case has sparked outrage among local lawmakers and immigrant rights advocates, who are calling for increased accountability and transparency in the handling of detentions at the northern border. Ruby Robinson, the senior managing attorney with the Michigan Immigrant Rights Center, revealed that the mother now faces removal proceedings scheduled for June in immigration court. The situation has drawn the attention of U.S. Representative Rashida Tlaib, who joined Robinson and the ACLU of Michigan in demanding answers from CBP regarding the treatment of individuals caught in similar circumstances. Tlaib expressed her concern, stating, "Our neighbors and families should not be disappearing because they made a wrong turn." The northern border, which typically sees far fewer migrant encounters compared to the U.S.-Mexico border, has been the site of increasing detentions. According to Tlaib, CBP reported that approximately 213 individuals have been detained at the same location since January, with over 90% of those cases involving individuals who inadvertently drove onto the bridge's toll plaza. Tlaib highlighted that 12 families had been detained in the same facility where the Guatemalan mother and her children were held, underscoring the troubling trend of wrongful detentions. "We don't know what exactly is happening. There's a lack of transparency," Tlaib remarked, emphasizing the need for a thorough investigation into CBP's practices. The mother's experience is not an isolated incident. It reflects a growing concern among immigrant rights advocates about the treatment of individuals who inadvertently cross into the U.S. from Canada. Critics argue that the current immigration system is fraught with inefficiencies and a lack of clear guidelines, leading to unnecessary suffering for families who simply made a navigational error. The case has ignited a broader conversation about the need for reform within the immigration system, particularly regarding the treatment of families and individuals who find themselves caught in a bureaucratic web due to no fault of their own. As the mother prepares for her upcoming court date, advocates are rallying behind her, demanding that her case be treated with the compassion and understanding it deserves. The situation has also prompted discussions about the role of technology in navigation and its potential implications for immigration enforcement. With more individuals relying on smartphone apps for directions, the potential for similar incidents to occur is increasing. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the complexities and challenges faced by immigrant families in the U.S., particularly those who may not be aware of the legal ramifications of their actions. As the community comes together to support the Guatemalan mother and her children, the call for greater oversight of CBP's practices continues to grow. Advocates are urging lawmakers to take action to ensure that families are not subjected to unnecessary detentions and that those who inadvertently cross borders are treated with dignity and respect. The outcome of this case could have significant implications for the future of immigration enforcement at the northern border and may serve as a catalyst for much-needed reforms in the system. As the situation unfolds, many are left wondering how many more families may be caught in similar predicaments and what steps can be taken to prevent such incidents from happening in the future. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.